Hello, welcome to this training on procedure for manicure and pedicure. By the end of this training, you'll be able to perform manicure and pedicure. Listed here are the various tools and equipment that you need while performing manicure and pedicure.
Client chair, manicure stool, manicure table, manicure tray, manicure bowl, infrared lamp, hot plate, medium size bowl, electric manicure kit, orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, cuticle pusher, cuticle clipper, nail brush, nail scissors, nail buffer, spatula, UV LED lamp. Materials: cotton, nail varnish remover, cuticle oil or cream, whitening pencil, nail varnish, cuticle remover, nail bleachers, nail strengthener, hand lotion and cream, top coat, base coat, liquid hand wash, H2O2, manicure shampoo, vegetable oil, foot cream, foot powder, paper and cotton towels.
Let's first go through the steps in performing plain manicure procedure. Having prepared the manicure table, seat your client. Wash your hands. Sanitize client's hands. Examine client's hands to determine condition of hands and nails. If there are any conditions that contraindicate manicure, natural shape of the fingertips and nails. Remove nail varnish. Begin with the little finger on the left hand. Wrap cotton pad between the second, middle and index fingers. Moisten cotton pad with nail varnish remover. Hold each finger individually and firmly press the moistened cotton wool onto the nail plate. Remove nail varnish from the base of the nail to the tip by firmly pulling the cotton pad off the nail. This will avoid smearing old polish into the cuticle. When you shape the nails, avoid using a sawing motion and filing deep into the sides of the nail. They will appear longer and grow stronger if permitted to grow out at the sides. Soften cuticle. Apply cuticle cream to the left hand and immerse in warm solution of hygienic soap and water. Loosen the cuticle. Dry the left hand. Apply cuticle remover. Begin loosening the cuticle using rotary movements with an orange wood stick wrapped in cotton wool. Use the cuticle pusher to push back cuticles or orange wood stick. Keep cuticles moist while doing this step. Remove excess cuticle. Gently remove dead cuticle using a small rotary movements. Use cuticle nipper to trim excess cuticle, uneven cuticle or hangnails. Remove cuticles as a single segment. Apply cuticle cream to right hand and immerse into the finger bowl. Continue manicure of left hand. Clean under free edge. Use a cotton tipped orange wood stick moistened with soapy water to clean under the free edge. The movement is from center to toward the side of a smooth beveled edge. Massage both hands with hand cream by using different strokers such as long sweeping strokes, holding the wrist and massage into it. Repeat all the massage steps on other hand also. Apply nail polish to the left hand and then to the right hand. Sanitize all the instruments. Client's jewelry should be given immediately at the end of the service.
You now know how to perform the plain manicure procedure. Let's now go through the regular pedicure procedure. Soak the client's both feet in the disinfectant solution for 3 to 4 minutes, along with few drops of pedicure shampoo and hydrogen peroxide solution. Clean the surface of the nail with the help of brush to remove the dirt and debris from the nail plate. Remove the dead skin from the feet with the help of foot scraper and pumice stone. Take out the left foot from the water and apply exfoliate cream or scrubber to remove dead skin of the foot and heels. Do circulatory movements and rubbing movements to exfoliate the dead skin of the foot and heels. Give more pressure on heels. Dip right foot in the water and follow the same steps you followed in left foot. Remove the exfoliate cream from the left foot. Repeat same steps on right foot. Apply foot cream all over the left foot and the leg till above the ankle area. Do effleurage or long sweeping strokes starting from the feet, go upwards and stop before the knee area. Repeat these steps at least for 5 minutes. Using the thumbs, knit the heel area and then rotate each toe clockwise and anti-clockwise for few minutes. Using your palms, knit the soles of the foot. Keeping your thumb on the soles of the client foot and your finger on the top of the foot, gently massage the foot 3 to 4 times. Finger knits around the area of each foot. Use kneading strokes on the calf muscles of the leg. Effleurage the foot and leg. Massage 5 times at least to complete the foot massage. Repeat all the above steps on right foot.
Remove excess cream from both feet with towel dipped in warm water. Apply foot lotion on both legs and feet. Apply base coat. Then apply nail varnish and top coat on both foot nails. Clean the area and sanitize all the equipment. Inform the client that applying creams regularly to moisturize the nails, especially after removing nail polish, is important since most nail polish removers contain chemicals that dehydrate the nails. You now know how to perform plain manicure and regular pedicure effectively. Thank you.